Ba't to? Mukha akong Shih Tzu. Sana all binabay.
Get out! Get out!
Hindi naman tayo scripted dito sa channel na to, diba? Today, we're gonna be unboxing this really big gift.
Oh yeah!
Parang like Christmas Day, ang saya. Meron tayong gift.
Oh! Oh!
Laki ah. Sana all malaki.
Get out! Get out!
Yung lakwat siya.
Walang jowa.
Iiyak na yan! Sobrang nakakataba ng puso. Yo, 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 you know who it is. It's your boy, Tammy Boy, your friendly neighborhood tambay. What up, mga tambay? I just woke up and ang sarap ng gising ko kasi meron akong package. Kakabayo lang sa amin ng bagyong Rolly. Sana all binabay. Ay. And then, meron din tayong ngayon, US elections. And to the people who are saying na wala naman tayong pakialam doon, you're so wrong! Kasi, that's part of the macroeconomics of our society. So, dapat meron kang concern who wins. Am I making sense? Feeling lang akong may alam. Ano ba ito? Mukha akong Shih Tzu. Pasensya niya aking buhok, kakagising ko nga lang. Pero ngayon, ang concern ko lang ay itong napakalaking regalo that I received from my followers. Sobrang hindi ko pa binubuksan, pero sobrang kilig na ako. Ano kaya to? Not really sure what it is inside. Or baka, hindi naman tayo scripted dito sa channel na to, diba? Super cute, super sweet nila. Tingnan nyo naman kung gano'ng kalaki, hindi kasya sa camera. I have to go back.
Wow!
Ayan. So that's why this vlog is going to be super special kasi nga itong super kilig from my fans. Actually, I don't really want to call them fans. I already knew from the very beginning, ever since before pa. Parang I don't want to call my supporters or my followers as fans kasi parang ang feeling, tsaka lalo naman, hindi naman ako sikat or something, di ba? Really went into this because I wanted to really make a lot of friends, and I was thinking that through a channel or through social media, I can like make a lot of friends. Wait lang, nakikita niyo yata yung address ko. May address ba to? So today, we're gonna be unboxing this really big gift from my followers, and then we're gonna review what's inside. I'm super excited kasi I think I'll be needing this sobra sa aking pag-vlog. Pero baka dapat mag-t-shirt muna ako or something, no? Sige, sandali lang ha. Okay. Okay na? Ka mag-alala, ako lang to. What the? Actually, kakabalik ko lang. Utusan ako ng mami ko to pick her up sa grocery. Kaya, let's just go back to business. Ayan. Huwag niyong pansinin yung aking mga kalat, aking mga binibenta yan. Sinisegregate ko lang. But yeah, here it is.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, let's start our damn boxing. By the way, you can order na nga pala yung aking dishwashing liquid. Meron tayong lemon and calamansi flavors and unscented one. DM me sa aking social media if ever you want to order. And don't forget yung mga nut butters that we're selling. This is called Host Bud's Kitchen. You can actually order it from my page, Fudoki. Please, bili kayo. It's super sarap. Sorry, parang wala tayong masyadong space. This was ordered from Lazada. As you can see, the packaging is really great. Talagang alagang-alaga. Hopefully, kung ano man nung nasa loob, malalaman na natin. So, buksan na natin to. Let's start the unboxing. Parang like Christmas Day, ang saya. Meron tayong gift.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Wait, 2 pieces of the same stuff. I think I know what this is. Ano sisimulan kong buksan? Oh, it's a... Parang bag siya. Ah! Oh. Ta-da! This is obviously a soft box light.
Wow!
Yes! Finally. Meron na tayo. Look at this. Maraming hindi nakakalam kung paano gamitin, pero ganito yan. Pupush mo muna. Ayan. So this is, I actually don't know what this is called. I think this is called the umbrella. Not sure kasi meron ding isa pang umbrella na light. Pero basta, eto na yun. Then kasama dun sa loob ng black bag na to is this one. And I believe this is the, ano ba to? I think it's called a diffuser. I'm not sure, wait lang. Research ko sandali. Nakakahiya.
Eventually.
Okay, diffuser yata yung tawag doon. Hindi ko taga mahanap pero I think diffuser siya. Quality is really nice, huh? This is gonna be so perfect because as you can see, I'm only using my 10-inch ring light. 10 inches ring light. Tama ba yan? Sana all 10 inches. So, this one is made of plastic. So, hopefully maging, ano siya, it'll be strong enough. Let's put this in. Ay! Di muna pala kasi kailangan ko ilagay yung, yung bulb. And I'm hoping there is. Hoping. Sanay naman tayong humopya.
Get out! Get out!
Ayan, tama. It's the bulb. Sana hindi siya basag. Kasi as of now, as of this moment, everything's really, really great. Tadaan! 45 watts. Hopefully maging malakas naman siya enough. Kasi dalawa naman to eh. Next is this one. Ooh, I guess it's the stand. Well, ang weird niya kasi hindi siya naka-seal ng maayos. And then may butas. So, bakit nagkaganon? But anyways, ito siya. Laki ah. Sana all malaki. Okay, let me just set this up na nakatayo plus yung isa pa. But anyways, I'll fix this setup first. Okay? Wait lang. Ang laki niya, guys. Okay, mga katambay. Yung saksakan niya, ganito. So, dalawa yung ngipin. Thankfully, meron kaming spare na never been used. So, I think this is just going to be perfect. But, yeah. Wait lang. I'll just, again, set up the other one and then showtime na. Ito yung isang box. Maganda yung pagkapack niya. Walang butas. Hindi nakabukas. Very good. Hey guys, I have to cut shooting this vlog kasi nasira yung isang bulb while I was removing it from the, is it called the socket? As you can see, natanggal siya and at the same time natanggal yung isang wire kasi there's supposed to be like 2 wires attached to this thing. Long story short, I'll see you when I get to buy a new one. Later. Hey mga katambay, so this is 2 days after the clip that you saw a while ago. Medyo nagkaroon kasi ako ng problem with the bulbs that was part of the package, yung mga CFL bulbs. They are a little bit hot and also medyo sensitive talaga yung mata ko when it comes to lights. So CFL bulbs tend to really dry my eyes ng sobra. So I opted yesterday to just research again what will be the best bulb and spent like the whole day researching and going back and forth the mall. Finally got the right bulb and I'll talk about it a little bit later. But I'm just gonna show you, this is my trusty ring light that I've been using for a year now and it's time to move on, right? So lalagay ko na lang to ulit dito. I'm now wondering kung I should open both lights or one light first. I decided to turn off my ring light so that the flickering will stop. Alright guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Wow, look at that! Ay pak, ang ganda natin oh. O kahit malapitan. Wow! Hindi halatang pagod ah. Bigyan pa natin ng ring light. Oh, saan ka pa? Diba it's so clear? I'm using one softbox pa lang ha. And it's not even directed at me. Wow, this is like the very first time I saw my camera on my phone this clear. I hope when I edit this and you see it on YouTube, it will give justice. Ever since I was exposed to softbox lights when I was modeling and acting, Gusto ko na talaga magkaroon, pero ang mahal-mahal nila, grabe. Kaya this is such a dream come true for me. I was never really a fan of ring lights kasi hindi stable yung lights niya. For some reason, hindi ko siya mabalance. But with softbox lights, you will achieve continuous lighting. So that means stable yung ilaw mo and yung shots mo all throughout. Kaya kahit gumalaw-galaw ka, bes, konti lang yung movement ng light mo. Perfect talaga for film and even vlogging. Disclaimer lang guys, I'm not an expert, but I've just really picked up a thing or two when I was working in front and behind the camera. Like how you can manipulate light by just moving the boxes like this. If you want a sharper color or more shadows. Convey different emotions and feelings through your camera and the light. So this is my basic setup. I got my diffuser and mosquito repellent. What do you call it again? What's that? I'm using them as like practicals or like backlighting, and then hindi ko pala nabubuksan yung second softbox. This is how it's gonna look like if I open the other softbox light. So, hindi siya nakatapat sa akin kasi pag tinapat ko yan, I'll be super exposed na. Tinapat ko siya sa wall para lang mag-bounce yung light. And this is how it looks like if yun lang yung nakabukas. See, it's still pretty powerful kasi kahit hindi siya nakatapat sa akin, may ilaw pa rin na pumapasok. This is how it looks like. Yung isa dito nakatapat sa wall. Oh, diba? Suplada mo, girl! So, basic setup muna tayo. Walang mga filters or ISO or post-editing. I just wanted to show you the power of these babies without all those other editing tools that you can use. My most favorite part is getting to wear my prescription glasses without any glare or reflection on my lenses. So let me share some tips on getting the most out of your softbox lights. Here we go. First tip! Make sure you get a bulb that has a high CRI. Ano naman yung CRI? CRI stands for Color Rendering Index. I think index yung last letter na yun. Basta, yun na yun. Isang letter lang naman yung di ako sure. This will help you get the light that is closest to the sun and give you the right and real color of your subject. Kasi ang sun is 100% CRI yan eh. Kaya if you get a bulb that is 90 plus CRI, then that will be really great. Unfortunately, sa Pilipinas, I've just learned, based on the bulbs that I bought, yung mga high-end Philips and Firefly has a CRI of 80. That's a little bit far from 90, right? Pero that's the best that we can do for now. Kaya look at my lights, diba? It's nighttime right now, but it feels like it's daytime. So if you're gonna buy a bulb that's below 80 CRI, I'm pretty sure that's going to be dingy. Speak of the sun, next tip is you want to emulate the sun in lighting yourself up. that came out wrong. And then you put it on an angular position, just like the sun, just like what I did. Para you have a perfect balance and mix of light and shadows. Iilaw ka lang naman sa baba kung mananakot ka. Anywho, there's so much to learn when it comes to lighting, and I hope I can adapt it to my future vlogs soon. Gusto ko talaga i-try in different lighting setups para I can set different moods sa aking mga future vlogs.
And guys,
I won't be able to achieve those future plans and goals of mine without you guys, my followers, my katambays, for sending me these gifts. Grabe kayo! Thank you for making me feel love at a time where I am feeling down and uninspired. Actually, yung mga messages nyo pa nga lang sa akin lifts me up, lifts my spirit up so much already. Alam nyo yung may magme-message asking and demanding when the next vlog will be? That already gives me so much joy. Parang,
wow, meron pang taga naghahanap. Meron talagang interesado. Alam niyo yun?
kasi parang feeling ko wala namang nanonood. I was really only uninspired lately just because I think it was getting to me, the 9 months of lockdown/quarantine that we are in. Parang, bes! Sira na ng ulo, diba? Walang work, walang pera, walang lakwatsa.
Walang jowa.
May jowa ka ba?
Savage!
So you end up noticing stuff that you don't really notice and think of before, like yung mga views ko or likes or subscribers and stuff like that, especially pag talagang pinaghirapan ko yung video and then parang wala naman nanood. So parang I'm not really shallow like that. That's why tinanggal ko na nga yung subscriber count ko sa aking YouTube kasi ayoko
Ako na nga mag-focus on trivial things. I just wanna go dun sa reason why I wanted to start something like this. Why I wanted to start a channel. I want
to focus on motivating myself into doing more. And now, these slides are going to be my symbol of love and inspiration to remind me forever that I have you guys who truly believe in me. Iiyak na yan! Sobrang nakakataba ng puso. Parang I'm thinking now I should just like maybe open a Patreon account. Baka talagang merong mag-sponsor ng aking mga videos. Because I really want to do more and create more vlogs that is really meaningful and could change people's lives. As in, yan yung mga future goals ko. But for now, ganto muna tayo. One step at a time. I don't really want to be mentioned, pero may mention ka na rin lang kayo, or some of you guys. Christian, Sean, Rebia, Reese, sino pa ba? Did I forget anybody? Okay lang naman. Okay lang if I forget anybody because they don't really want to be mentioned naman talaga in the first place. Sobrang ko ito na-appreciate kasi it came from you guys, yung mga katambay ko dito. People I've never met in real life. And sino ba naman ako para bigyan niyo ako ng regalo ng ganito, diba? So, and iba kayo. Iyak pa ako tuloy. Just really want to say thank you ng sobra. Thank you so much from the bottom of my broken heart. Britney Spears. Anyways, I won't keep this any longer. If you want to be my katambay, please subscribe and click the notification bell to get updates. All I can say is, mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat, mga katambay, and thank you so much for supporting me, and I'll see you on the next one. Remember to worship, not worry. Bye!
Step by step, ooh baby.
Iiyak na yan!